one question that completely changed the way I look at the business. It was not that, how much do I charge? It was why this person is only looking at the price. And the day I realized the difference between both of them, that is the day everything shifted for me. The thing is, very early on, I realized one thing that, there were certain sets of people, and especially people who are actually dealing with clients right now, like left, right, and center, they would understand it, every now and then, every conversation, boils down towards the price. Price this, price X, price Y, price Z. And, the moment the conversation becomes all about money, something has already gone wrong. Now, you'll say, Arpita, why do you say so? Why, conversation around money is going wrong? I'll tell you why. Because the thing is, when we are new, we think, lowering the price actually creates the trust because, we want to get that sale, right? But, it's like, the thing is, if we save them maybe another $20, another $30, they will remember me. Maybe, but, what happens is the next time you will find somebody else who is cheaper than you. Like, today you have given $30 discount. Tomorrow there's somebody who's giving them $50 discount or something. So the thing is, that is a dangerous business to build because there will always be somebody, like I said, who's willing to become more cheaper than you. Now, real entrepreneurs, who are actually looking at it from a larger vision, they would always, know that they don't want to build businesses around discounts because they want to build businesses around decisions. Now, what is the difference between building the business around the decision and not around the price? So now what happens is, let's say when somebody buys from you, they are not just buying a product. Please understand that they are buying certainty, they are buying guidance, they are buying accountability, they are buying someone who will always answer the call when the things goes wrong. The problem is most of us only explain the product, but we fail to explain the value of the product. Think about it. Many times when you speak to the customer, how genuinely have you explained the product or the value of it because you wanted to explain? No, you just explained the product because you wanted to sell that product to get that commission, right? So that is where the things goes wrong. Before we even experience the value, we only explain the product. And then we are surprised when the customer only negotiates the price because that is exactly what you gave the room to them. Price becomes a conversation and only, when value never become one. That is the reason price, the conversation revolves around the prices. So the strongest businesses I've seen is, it's like they don't win because they are the cheapest. They win because people stop comparing them. And the thing is, it's not that today I'm standing here and I'm talking about this, so I knew all of this. No, I learned this lesson from one of the customers, a customer who negotiated every single dollar, every single cent. Can you imagine? Like, at one point, I genuinely thought that I'm never going to close this booking because even if I was giving her, 20 cents extra, she will, cry for even that 20 cents extra as well. So, but then that customer taught me something that I'll never forget. Sometimes people don't need a cheaper price. They need a better reason. And on Wednesday, I'll tell you about Linda, and trust me, she completely changed the way I looked at pricing. So if you're building a business, stop asking, how do I reduce my price? Rather, start asking, how do I increase my value? So I'll see you on Wednesday. Until then, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we'll meet again in the next one. Thank you.